Hey you guys, welcome back to Finds and Food with Friends. So, I don't know who all's been following like my Facebook and stuff, but I did post a video about a project that I'll be working on. Well, today we're going to actually start working on this project. Let me show you what we're doing. So I found this beautiful, beautiful door with this glass window, leaded glass inset. And we are going to be painting that today. I've already given it a light sanding. I've cut it down to size. And I've also notched out where my hinges are going to be going. That way I can have it put where my front door is. So, that being said, I have decided to do the door red like my current front door. And so we are about to reconstitute my paint and start working on that now. So I will be back once I have gotten a little bit of this paint on here. Alright, so I have put my first layer or coat of paint on here. I want y'all to take a look and see. It's not perfect, but that's kind of what it's going to look like. And then this piece here is going to be done in black. I've also got some more trim pieces that go around here that's going to be done in black, and around here that's going to be done in black. So I can't wait to show y'all what the finished product is going to look like. So let me get back to this and I will be back when it's done. Alright you guys, so I've done about 4 layers of red paint on here, so I want to show y'all what that looks like. So here's the door with 4 layers of red paint. And while I'm letting that dry, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the trim pieces for the larger rectangle and the 2 smaller squares. So, come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. So, these are 2 smaller square pieces. What I'm going to do is sand these down, and then I'm going to put a coat of black enamel paint on them, allow them to dry, and then I'm going to glue them back in place on the door. And the same thing with the center piece, that center rectangle. Return once I have those ready to go in place. And then I'm also going to be doing that oval in the black as well. Alright, so I will be back once I have it all ready. Alright you guys, so I have finally finished my door. I've got my trim painted on it the way I wanted it. I've got it all painted out. And now all I have to do is hang it. But here again, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching and supporting me, and for your positive feedback. Again, I just want to say thank you all so much. This has been a very long journey, and it has been a healing journey for me. And I just want to say thank you all again so much for your support and for continuing to watch while I kind of explore my passions and have y'all along for the ride. So again, thank you. Goodbye.